If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus makes printing lists quick and easy. At the top of each list is a print button that looks like a printer. Clicking this button opens a new page or tab in your web browser and shows the list in a printer-friendly format. It also automatically opens your browser's print dialog box. Simply click the Print or OK button in the print dialog box to print the list. After printing the list, close the window or tab to return to the QuickBooks Online Plus window or tab. The only exception to this is the Employees list. To print the Employees list, click the Standard Reports link in the Reports and Analytics bar. At the top of the Standard Reports page that then opens to the right, start typing Employee Contact List into the Type Report Name Here search bar, and then click that report name in the result list that appears below the search bar to open it. Then, click the Print icon towards the upper right corner of the Report Options section above the report to open a Print or Save as PDF window. Then, set your preferred print layout options at the left side of the window. To download the report as a PDF, then click the Save as PDF button at the bottom of the window. Alternatively, to print the report, click the Print button in the toolbar that appears above the PDF preview to open your computer's print dialog box where you can then print the report. You can then close the window by clicking the X button in its upper right corner when finished. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.